Yeah, well, keep going. Okay, stop. Go lower a little bit. We'll go 15 feet. 15, we'll stop. 36, hold. Yep,
The reason we got the drone is because many of these sites are sensitive habitat, and we wanted to be able to map plants within these habitats. If we were out there just using GPS or meter tapes, we'd be doing a lot of trampling. And so with the drone, we can fly above the prairie, take our images, and then use software to stitch all the images together into a large composite image that's called an orthomosaic. And then the same software actually will produce a digital elevation model, so you can actually look at the elevation change across the site. And so then we use that information to map individual flowers across the prairie, and then also map different vegetation types across the prairie. And we use that information in a couple projects now, looking at how that variation in habitat and flower density affects seed dispersal, in an effort to understand how plants might be able to move by seed dispersal to new sites as their habitats become less hospitable under global climate change. What our students are doing here, this was first tested and published just in the last few years by our research lab, and so they're actually doing a project that is very much cutting edge, and what we're trying to do is basically transfer our research methods to the classroom and give the students the same kind of experience with the technologies that we're able to use in our research projects.